Hi there everyone, welcome back. This is a quick video to let you know if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, you can have a look at it. My YouTube channel name has been changed. I put Adventure Sound to Adventure English because I wanted to grab attention for the people who love to see the travel blogs. But unfortunately, when I started using Bangla video, I'm getting lots of people from Bangladesh, and they are more curious about the learning English, about English pronunciation, English accent, and all about English. So I have just changed. I had a mistake. I started making video in Bangla on this channel, but when I started using travel blogs, going here and there and exploring something like that, I was getting text from some people say from Mexico. I'm watching from Mexico, I'm watching from Ecuador, Bolivia, Latina, something like that. But the thing is that when I started uploading video in Bangla, I'm getting people from Bangladesh who are interested to learning English. So why not, according to your choice, I have to make the video. So I changed the name to Adventure English from Adventure Shawan. And if you're watching the video from my Facebook page or Facebook group, wherever, you might getting confused what I'm talking about. So if the video is you're watching from my YouTube, that's okay. So yeah, this is my YouTube channel, Adventure English. So I will start to upload video from now on, all about the English things, how to learn English and English practically. Basically, I'm an English learner. I will say something in English, practice my English, go to some places, give you some tips, technique, accent, pronunciation, and practical English, whatever. I will share on this YouTube channel. It seems like I'm an English learner. I will try to share you guys my English learning process, and let's learn English together. Thank you.